In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a passenger side engine mount on your Honda Accord. Using a piece of wood on a jack, we're going to jack up the oil pan. Using a 10mm socket, remove the ground strap. Using a 17mm socket, remove this bolt out of the engine mount. Remove the two 17mm bolts on the top. Remove the bolts and the bracket. Remove the 17mm bolts for the engine mount. And one more on the top. Remove the engine mount. Install the engine mount. Line the holes up and drop your bolts in. Get them started, just a few threads. Snug the bolts down. Torque these bolts to 47 foot-pounds. Install the bracket. I'm going to put my bolts in here first. Snug them down, going back and forth. You may need to go up a little bit on the jack to have this hole line up. Once you have the bolt started, snug it down. We're going to torque these two top bolts first. We're going to torque them to 47 foot-pounds. And then we'll torque the lower one. Torque that to 47 foot-pounds as well. Install the bolt for the ground strap. Snug it down. If you can fit a torque wrench, torque it to 9 foot-pounds. If not, do the best you can. Lower your jack and remove it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.